Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video, and in this video I will show you a simple and useful widget for your iPhone. With this widget you can track your goals on your iPhone home screen. So before we go further, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now as you can see here, I have this widget which shows how much more money I need to buy an iPhone 14 Pro. So like this you can create your own goals widget. The name of the widget is goals. It has very simple UI and also it's easy to use. The app has option to change the app icon if you want to. You can see here it has 8 color icons. Now let me show you how to set one widget. Here tap on 3 dots and tap on add goal. Enter your goal name, maybe a car or a house or anything that you want to buy in the future. You can enter over here. I will enter laptop. Here you can customize, like choose any colors you want and also select emojis for your goal, or even you can add an image as the background. So from the album select any image if you want, then tap on next and set the amount of money that you need for your goal. So that's my goal money. Now tap on save and your goal is over here. So suppose you have saved some money, then tap on this plus button and here as you can see it says how much money did you save. So just enter the amount and it will show you over here. Now let's add widget on the home screen by going into jiggle mode, and then from here you can choose which size you want, from small and medium. It will look like this. Also you can edit it from here under styles. It looks pretty cool. Like this you will have a glimpse at your goal all the time, and when you add your saving into it you can see how close you are at achieving your goal. So that's all for this video. This is one of the best widget for your savings and I think it will be very useful for you too. So go ahead, check it out. Link of the app will be pinned in the comment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.